So here I have my Chiappa 9mm M1 Carbine, and I have managed to put it in a Paratrooper stock. The process wasn't exactly easy. I had to do a lot of cutting on the stock to get it to fit because the real M1 Carbine is not the same shape as the 9mm. The two main differences in the stocks is on the 9mm there is a cutout for the op rod on both sides of the stock, instead of the real M1 Carbine only has it on the right side of the stock, as you can see here, but this one has on both sides. The next thing was the channel for the action on the 9mm is probably about 2 inches longer than the real thing. I'll go ahead and take the 9mm apart and show you all the material I had to remove to get that stock on there. For me, I didn't exactly have the best tools for the job. I ended up using a Dremel tool to cut out the channel for the op rod, and then I used a power drill to hollow out all the other places in the front of the stock. Another thing I had to do was remove a little bit of material on the handguard so that the op rods could slide freely on it, because they are a little bit thicker, I guess, than the real ones. I don't know if you can tell it here where I started cutting. I started cutting about right here and had to remove that much material. I'd say it's probably a good 2 or 3 inches. It took me a long time to get it. I had to drill lines of holes and then chisel it out, and then I used the sanding attachment on my Dremel tool to try and sand that out a little bit smoother to get it to slide better. I plan on sanding everything smoother. As you can see, it's not exactly smooth. I plan on sanding it smoother and staining it, and also putting some polyurethane or something on the stock to give it a little bit of shine. But it is doable if you have tools. So if you have any questions, just put them in the comments and I'll try and get back to you.